Hi, this is Sanjay Gangal from GIS Cafe. I'm here with Satyendra Singh, consultant at SGS Infotech. Hello, Satyendra.
Hello.
Satyendra, how's the show been going for you?
Show is wonderful. This is the third time we are exhibiting here in this show, and it looks very interesting this year too.
Okay, and what are you showing here at your booth?
We are showcasing our services in GIS, photogrammetry, and LiDAR data processing areas. And since 5-6 years, we have been doing quite a lot of work from Germany, and we are one of the few who understand the quality requirement of European countries, for example, and so far it is good.
SGS Thomson is a worldwide company?
It is not a worldwide company. I am representing the company in European region. We have customers from US and UK also, and the head office is in Gurgaon, India.
Okay, and how many people do you have?
We have about 150 people working for us in different domains.
And how old is the company?
Company is 10 years old, and it is growing. It is still growing.
Do you do any business in USA?
We have been doing businesses in USA, but I think our focus is Europe.
Can you give some example companies and the type of work that you do?
We are in GIS section. We are doing mostly utility mapping for German cities, for example. We have captured about 10,000 kilometers of network for 7 or 8 German cities, and about 7 cities we have mapped in photogrammetry systems, and we look forward for more such assignments.
So the cities directly hire you, or do they hire you through some other companies?
They hire us through some other company. We don't have this policy to connect to the municipalities directly, but sooner or later we might have to think because of the added competition here.
Okay, are there any new announcements you want to share from?
Yes, this year we have our own office, and we are prepared to process the data in Germany itself rather than sending it to India. And we have also formed a partnership company in Germany, and we look forward for a direct assignment from the German companies as well.
That's great. And how can people find out more about SGS Thomson?
For SGS, there is a website, sgs-infotech.com. More information about the company can be found from there. And I'm having my contact details also there. So this is, I think.
Okay, thank you very much, Satyendra. Have a great show.
Thank you. Thank you so much.